Hi, good morning. We are from Electric City and we're here to cover a lot of simple things about electricity, things we studied in schools, colleges, but how does that really apply to a layman? So, starting with what is electricity? What is electricity? We know, and this is on the basic premise that Einstein once said, that energy cannot be destroyed or created, it can only change form. Electricity is a form of energy, right? We know it powers up lights, fans, things like that. And we also know of natural sources of energy. There is the sun, there is water, there is air. So simply one energy converted to another is electricity in very simple forms. And how does that happen? Let's take, for example, a dam. Okay, in a dam we collect water. Okay, now we're talking of water collecting in a dam, and you see these tall little walls where water gets stored. And then what happens is that there is a outlet, for example, from where water is going to gush down in a controlled fashion. And imagine a little giant wheel down, okay? That's what is called turbines. So water gushes down onto this giant wheel that has these little buckets all around it. It collects the water. It spins really at large speeds, and around it is a north-south pole. There are copper wires, and what happens is it creates an electric field around it. And when a magnetic field gets created. So because of that, what generates is electricity. And in simple forms, this is nothing but, created from water, which is hydro, and that's the process of how, water can be converted into electricity. And that's very simple form. And you'll find a lot of YouTube videos with a lot of images on BBC and things like that, where you'll be able to see. So in simple forms, water goes up, gushes down, runs through these little turbines, and there's a whole magnetic field around it that gets generated, and there's energy that gets created, or electricity. Now, energy that gets created, can it be directly consumed into our homes? No, because when it does get created, it's a few thousand kilowatts, which means that it's the dangerous form of electricity at that stage. And then what happens is it gets transformed to come into your homes. But more about that on the next video. This one is really just talking about what is electricity. So electricity is a form of energy consumed, just like there's natural sources of energy, we use one to form another. And what I just explained is form of energy that gets created from water. And similarly, you'd look at air, you'd look at solar, more on next videos. But that's the quick thing on electricity. Thank you for watching.